seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
I like using an auger to drill a hole. It is easier and faster than digging by hand. To use an auger, you need to have strong hands and wrists to control it, especially when the auger kicks. This happens when digging rocky or hard soil, particularly when there are roots present.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change.
I'm trying not to create a mess by not continuously running the auger. Besides, I'm only digging small holes.
But all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
The sticks are my marker, indicating where to dig and evenly space the holes.
Back a year ago.
I had quite a few perennials that did not survive the winter, mostly due to voles. The voles made this part of the garden their winter nest, and I found stacks and stacks of their feces. The coreopsis that I had growing here unfortunately did not survive. Now I am planting the perennial called blue flax as a replacement. However, the blue flax is a short-lived perennial, but it features beautiful satiny sky blue flowers with blue-green needle-like leaves. Before placing the plants in the hole, I am putting a handful of starter fertilizer at the bottom. The roots should touch and sit directly on top of the fertilizer. This will help the plant roots establish quickly and reduce transplant shock. I am now digging holes for the dwarf delphinium and lupins. Last year, I planted a row of dwarf delphiniums here that I successfully germinated from seeds. Unfortunately, only one plant survived. However, I bought a couple of dwarf delphinium root plants this year that I was planning to plant somewhere else. I'm planting both of them here to accompany the surviving dwarf delphinium. Additionally, I am adding 5 lupins, 2 reds, and 3 blues. Or perhaps it's the other way around. Anyway, I have heard that lupins are very finicky and hard to grow. Let's see if they will thrive in this location. I made a bit of a mess, so I need to clean up before any debris gets into the crevices of the pavers. These are the scabiosa or pincushion plants that I bought last week. These ones are the balloon flower plants. I have in my right hand the Helenium potter's wheel plant that I received from mail a few weeks ago as a root plant. Please remember that when replanting the plant, ensure that the hole is twice the size of the plant spot. It's important not to place the plant too deep. The level of the plant's soil should be the same as the ground soil level. It's okay if the plant's soil level is slightly higher than the soil surface. Sometimes the soil will settle and the plant will sink a little lower. If you are concerned that part of the roots are exposed, just cover them slightly with some loose soil. There's no need to use the auger for this plant. The soil is soft and easy to dig by hand. The pot is also smaller.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away.
Some special individuals celebrated their birthdays this week. Belated happy birthday to Elvira Parada-Quison's eldest grandchild, who turned 17. Also, belated happy birthday to my darling son.
Be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby,
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Your comments would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated. Again, thank you, and until next time, bye-bye.
really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong